Ever wonder why your heart skips a beat when you see that special someone? In this video, we will explain the science behind it. So, ready for the deep dive? Stay tuned as we dive into the first stage of love, lust. The initial stage of love, lust, is driven by the sex hormones testosterone and estrogen in both genders. These hormones act like master conductors, orchestrating our initial reactions to potential partners. They're responsible for the heart-racing, palm-sweating physical desire we often feel towards someone we find attractive. Testosterone, not just in men but also in women, is primarily associated with desire and physical attraction. It's the spark that ignites when you first lay eyes on someone who catches your fancy. On the other hand, estrogen in both genders enhances this initial attraction by promoting feelings of friendliness, which might help in striking that first conversation. Together, these hormones set the stage, laying a foundation upon which the complex structure of love is built. They dictate the physical aspect of love, the one that often hits us like a freight train, leaving us yearning for more. Now, let's move on to the second stage of love, which is attraction. The attraction stage is where the falling in love feeling truly kicks in, thanks to a cocktail of chemicals in our brain. You see, it's during this stage that our bodies are flooded with three main neurotransmitters: adrenaline, dopamine, and serotonin. Let's start with adrenaline. This hormone is responsible for the heart-racing excitement you feel when you're around the person you're attracted to. It's what makes your palms sweaty and your cheeks flush. Then there's dopamine. This is the brain's pleasure hormone. It's released during those feel-good moments, like when you're sharing a laugh or having a deep conversation. It's what keeps you craving more of their company. Lastly, serotonin. This neurotransmitter can act like a love-struck drill sergeant, leading to side effects like loss of appetite and even insomnia. It's so powerful that it can make you think about your love interest constantly. As we move past the exhilarating attraction stage, we enter the final stage of love, attachment. The attachment stage is what allows couples to form a deep and lasting bond, and it's all thanks to two key hormones. The first of these is oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone. It's released in large amounts during intimate activities such as hugging, kissing, and, interestingly, during childbirth and breastfeeding. This hormone helps to promote feelings of warmth, trust, and attachment in a relationship. The second hormone is vasopressin, a less-known but equally important player in the love game. Vasopressin works alongside oxytocin to enhance feelings of attachment and empathy. It's also crucial in establishing the long-term stability of a relationship by encouraging fidelity and protective behaviors. These two hormones work together, creating a powerful cocktail that drives our need for love and companionship. They make us feel secure, loved, and deeply connected to our partners, ensuring the longevity of the relationship. So, as we've seen, falling in love is not just a romantic notion, but a process deeply rooted in our biology. To sum up, love is a complex dance of hormones and neurotransmitters, playing out in three distinct stages. Let's take a moment to recap. We begin with the lust stage, a primal response driven by testosterone and estrogen. This is where physical attraction takes the lead. Next, we move into the attraction stage. This is when dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter, floods your system, creating feelings of euphoria and pleasure. Serotonin levels also dip, leading to those obsessive thoughts about your new love interest. Finally, we reach the attachment stage. This is where oxytocin, the bonding hormone, and vasopressin come into play. They lay the groundwork for deep connection and long-term commitment. So, love is not simply an ethereal, intangible emotion. It's a tangible, scientifically explainable phenomenon, a symphony of biochemical reactions taking place within our bodies. It's a beautiful manifestation of our complex human nature. Next time your heart flutters at the sight of someone special, remember, it's not just Cupid's arrow, but science at work. If you enjoy the video, be sure to check out our channel for more quality content.